The People's House, a symbol of America. The White House. It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of America. It represents hope, it stands for democracy, and it's the backdrop for history. For over 2 centuries, presidents have lived and worked here. They've made decisions that shaped the world. They've welcomed guests, kings and queens, celebrities and everyday heroes. The White House has seen it all: wars and peace treaties, economic booms and recessions, moments of triumph, times of national mourning. Through it all, the White House has endured. It's a reminder of the strength and resilience of the American spirit. Champions at the White House: Dodgers and Navy football. Recently, the White House welcomed some special guests, champions. The Los Angeles Dodgers celebrated their World Series win. President Trump congratulated them. Clayton Kershaw, a pitching legend, presented him with a jersey. It was a day of pride for the team and their fans. The Navy football team also visited. They won the Commander-in-Chief's trophy. This victory was special. They beat their rivals, Air Force and Army. President Trump praised their dedication and skill. These visits show the spirit of the White House. It's a place to celebrate American excellence, whether it's on the field or on the world stage. President Trump's second term, a mandate for change. In 2024, President Trump won re-election. It was a decisive victory. Americans spoke clearly. They wanted him to continue his work. His second term is about building on past successes. He's focused on key issues: stopping endless wars overseas, securing America's borders, growing the economy, and creating opportunities for all Americans. President Trump believes in a strong America, an America that leads on the world stage, an America that puts its citizens first. The Trump legacy: a life of achievement. Donald Trump's life has been one of achievement. He's a successful businessman. He built a real estate empire. He ventured into sports and entertainment, and he conquered the political arena. Becoming president was a bold move. He had no prior political experience, but he won, and he won again. He faced challenges head-on: assassination attempts, legal battles. He never backed down. Family is paramount to President Trump. He's a devoted husband to Melania, a proud father to his 5 children: Don Jr., Ivanka, Eric, Tiffany, and Barron. And now, a loving grandfather to 10 grandchildren. His legacy is still being written. But one thing is certain: Donald Trump has left an indelible mark on America.